Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're gonna talk about 4 best altcoins for November, and this is my favorite kind of videos. I always wait for the first dates of the months just to show you best altcoins to buy with huge potential for the next months and for 2022. And before we dive into crypto world, all I want to say is just huge thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today I reached 1000 subscribers on my channel and I love you guys so much. Thank you for choosing me. So here I picked up for you 4 best altcoins for November 2021, which will explode in 2022. So stay with me and we're going to look at this closely. And in this video I'm not going to tell you about obvious altcoins you already know, which is Solana, Ethereum, Polkadot. I'm going to tell you about another altcoins you know for sure, but maybe you underestimate these altcoins. So let's move to our top altcoins, and altcoin number 4, it's Harmony One. I really love this coin. I heard about it already maybe in August or September when price was quite low, and I really wanted to buy before this huge pump, but I didn't and I regret it so much. But Harmony have really high potential to win on crypto market, and I'll explain you why. I want you to look here on CoinMarketCap on the history of Harmony, and here you can see that from 2019 Harmony moved really smooth and stable till 2021 when huge pump happened right here, and now we're having new all-time high right here. I'm going to show you closely, and it happened really recently. It happened 26th of October, and look at this volume. Our volume is massive. It's $271 million, and some people don't tend to buy it here. For some reason I don't understand why they tend to buy it up here, but where we are now is the best time and best option to buy this Harmony now if you want to invest it as a long term. And Harmony is not finished, and it's certainly better to buy it right here than here. So don't take it as for financial advice. I'm just showing you charts, and always do your research before you step into buying new altcoins. So as I said before, we're having massive volume, and I think Harmony are going to continue fluctuating here, and a lot of people predict new all-time high for Harmony, which is $1 very soon. So let's look at the Harmony website. It's so clear and simple website. I like it so much. And here we can see a huge community on the Twitter, which is 258k followers. And let's look at this latest news, which is today we're announcing our 300 million ecosystem fund to accelerate 10,000 builders. So let's actually understand what is Harmony One. Harmony One is a fast and open blockchain. Harmony One's mainnet runs Ethereum applications with 2 seconds transaction finality and really low fees. Harmony is your open platform for assets, collectibles, identity, and governance. And here is the reason you should buy Harmony, which is ecosystem development funds have become one of the latest market moving trends in the crypto sector. One protocol that has recently seen its token price rally following the release of an ecosystem development grant in Harmony, a blockchain protocol focused on improving scalability between networks. You also can see that since hitting a low on August 30, the price of Harmony has surged 263 to a new record high on October 25. 3 reasons for the increasing price of One include the launch of $370 million ecosystem development fund, successful completion of the Harmony One World Conference in Lisbon, and the launch of many big name protocols of the Harmony network. So there is a lot of reason why you should have a look at Harmony and why you should invest in it, because it's have really huge potential just to explode market in 2022 and maybe even be in top 10 altcoins. Guys, don't forget about my Bybit free bonus, which is $3,500. It's really good opportunity for you to win this money and trade. It takes only 20 seconds to sign up and trade, so go ahead and click on my link, get your 3,500 bonus and trade on Bybit. And let's move next, and we are going to the third top altcoins of November, and it's Eluvium. It's gaming coin, so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about gaming coin. I think it's gonna explode in 2021 and at the end, and of course in 2022 there's a lot of them. So why Eluvium and what is Eluvium? Eluvium, it's a blockchain game with play to earn structure where users can earn in-game rewards with ILV token by engaging with competitions and quests. Let's go to the website and look at the Eluvium website, which is incredible and amazing. Look at these guys, and just look at the trailer. So guys, look at this trailer, it's really insane. Look at this picture and animation, and I have no words to explain. I don't like games so much, but maybe this game I'm going to play. Let's look at the chart of Eluvium, and you will not believe, but now we're on price 1,220, and the first ever price was about $57. 2021 token went up to $1,200. It's crazy, right? Let's look at this list of altcoins and tokens who recently reached its all-time high, and here you can see that Eluvium is number 5. Let's look at this article, which is saying that Eluvium is an open world fantasy battle game that is built on the Ethereum network and has the goal of becoming the first AAA raid blockchain based game that incorporates aspects of decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, which is NFTs. On the picture you can see that after reaching a low of $452 on September 29, the price of Eluvium has surged 171% to establish a new record high at $1,231 on November 2, and its 24-hour trading volume jumped 122% to $105 million. There's a lot of positive moments of this coin, and gaming coins are doing so well. I bought 2 gaming coins and I'm going to buy more. And gaming coins combine 2 extremely popular industries, crypto and video games. And now we're moving to the second altcoin of November, which is Terra. Terra has grown over 2,000% since the start of this year, and it's certainly a coin to watch. As a company, the best way to think of Terra, it's a fully digital, decentralized financial institution. So what it does, it's a governance and staking token that fuels the whole Terra network. It supports Terra stablecoins and payment processing system. Terra has a stable coin. Terra has a whole stable of stable coins, including Terra, US dollar, Euro, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Terra is climbing the charts, and that has meant that big returns for early buyers. Over the last year, Terra has been one of the most successful cryptocurrency. Let's look at the coin market cap, and here we can find Terra number 12. So let's look at the chart more closely. Right now we're sitting at $46 price, and let's look at the chart. Here we can see the same almost the same picture as Harmony 1, and it moved really smooth to 2020, and here we can see huge jump from February 26, and the previous all-time high, which was $21, and now we're sitting at the new all-time high. It's really similar to Harmony 1, and right now all-time high was $48. So I think we should wait a little bit more to buy this coin because we're sitting really high, but it's definitely something you should hold for long-term investment because it's already number 12, so it's going to grow and grow, and Terra has really high potential in crypto market. And coin number 1, my favorite coin I invested recently in. I'm not going to tell you all coins I invested in and promote these coins, but it's something really you should have for long-term investment because I believe in its potential. And this coin is Matic Polygon. So what do we know about Matic? Matic is the native cryptocurrency of Polygon network, and it's used to help drive the development across the network, and it can be used for staking and playing for transactions fee. There's one interesting thing: users can earn Matic token. Let's look at this article, which is saying Matic price needs to crack this barrier as Polygon bulls continue targeting $3. Matic price is looking to resume its bullish momentum on Sunday, pausing its 2-day corrective declines from 5 months high of $2.31. Over the past week, Matic price surged as much as 25%. Buyers will create fresh positions above the latter, calling for a sharp upswing towards the 127%. Let's look at this article, which is saying Polygon climbed 70% in October as bullish momentum continues into November. Let's talk about future movement, and here on this website they are saying that it's possible that Matic will drop to $1.74 area once more prior to resuming its upward movement. And let's find Matic and CoinMarketCap, and Matic took 19th place here, and let's look at the charts. So right now we have $1.96 price, and let's look at the charts closely here. Since Matic performing really well in price, we have a big run up here in previous weeks, and here you can see that we stop out at $2.14 and we pull back to the previous resistance level, and Matic looks good. I don't think it will stop climbing on this level, so I think Matic has a huge potential, and as I said before, and you should definitely invest in Matic as a long-term investment. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. That was top 4 altcoins for November, and I'm going to continue to do such videos. I'm going to make video about top gaming altcoins and top meme altcoins, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, comment and like this video. I really appreciate you chose my channel.